everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 700. I cannot believe this is day 700. 700 new makeup products that I've tried. Wow. And also a happy new year. It's 2020. Wow, this is a really big day, really big occasion. I'm so excited for 2020 and to get after all of my goals. I'm setting some really big goals that I'm really excited to accomplish. But I'm also really excited about the product that I'm trying out today because look at this beautiful kit. This is the Kylie Jenner Try It kit, and unfortunately, it's not mine. My mom actually got this for herself for Christmas, and I'm so jealous. This is the cutest packaging ever, but my mom is letting me try these products out on my channel as part of my Trying a New Makeup Product Every Day series, and I'm really excited because I've only ever tried out the Kylie lipsticks, like liquid lipsticks, and this has a bunch of different products. So this is such an awesome kit. And for today, I'm actually going to try out the lip liner. I can't believe I've never tried out a Kylie lip liner. This was one of like the very first products that she came out with a long time ago. So I'm a little bit ashamed that I've never tried it out, but today's the day. 2020 is the year that I'm trying out the Kylie lip liner for the first time. I do have this in the shade, and so this is in the shade Iced Latte. And you can buy the Iced Latte lip liner on the Kylie Cosmetics website for $12, which is actually more affordable than I realized that the Kylie lip liners are. I wonder if they used to be more expensive. Maybe I'm thinking about like the lip kits. But $12 is a very reasonable price point. I almost feel like that's practically like drugstore lip liner price point these days. But so I'm gonna go ahead and start out by swatching. Ooh. Yeah, it just like glides on. It writes so easily. Definitely seems to be like a creamy, smooth type of formula. So I'm really interested to see how this shade is actually going to look on me because I never really wear brown lip colors, but I'm excited to try something out of my comfort zone, see myself in a shade that I don't think I've seen myself wear before. So let's see how this is. I love how easy this is to use. It seriously just glides on, writes so easily, great pigment. And I feel like this shade would be perfect for under nude lip shades because if you actually line your lips in a bit of a darker shade, it can help enhance them. So this underneath like some nude pink tones on me, I think would be a perfect look. But since I'm just trying out this color, this lip liner on its own, I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my entire lips. Also, I should call out that this is the type of lip liner that you have to sharpen. It doesn't twist up, but wow, I love how creamy and pigmented this is. So easy to apply all over the lips as a lipstick. And I also love this finish. It definitely leans more towards a matte finish, but it's almost like a creamy matte because I have the most extremely dry lips these days. It seems like for the past months I have had the driest lips. I shouldn't even say like these days. This has been a continued problem. But this is not even looking dry on my lips. It's not clinging to any dry patches. It feels so comfortable. Like such a moisturizing lip liner. Like I didn't even know that was possible. But this looks so good. As for the color, like maybe it's just because this is different for me that I feel like it doesn't look good because I'm not used to it. But I don't think I'm like crazy about this shade on me. But I love this formula, so I'd really like to try it in other colors. So if you have any recommendations of other shades that you think would look good on me or that I should pick up, definitely let me know in the comments down below. And maybe I just have to wear this shade for like a day or so and get used to it. I don't think it looks terrible, but I just don't know if it's my best color. I am so happy with this formula though. It's no wonder why this is such like a staple cult following, like highly rated type of product. I wish I had tried it out sooner, but now I know I'm definitely gonna have to get some of my own because this is seriously like one of the best lip liner formulas I've ever tried out. Like it's definitely worth $12 to me. And I'm curious, no transfer? Oh my gosh, and I love that this is also super long lasting and comfortable and pigmented as a lipstick. So it's like a 2-in-1 that you can use it as a lip liner or as a full lipstick. I love a long lasting lip color and I'm like really surprised that there was no transfer with that. That is so impressive. Wow. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.